Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable quick launch on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find gestures option, and right here we have to just click on a double press power key option, and as you can see we can choose none or camera. And now when we double press our power key, we're gonna launch our camera, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.